Yes, how is this even possible is correct. I'm on the month 3 update, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys my current results and what it looked like immediately before these results started showing. So let's get the video started. You guys already know what's up. So I figured I had some time away from work, and I love this country so much, and I didn't feel like I spent enough time here, so I'm spending the next month here, and this is why I'm filming from inside of one of these apartments. This is like a local apartment where no tourists don't really come here. This is like legit where people live. But anyways, let's not get distracted from the topic. These are my results. This is insane. Let's go. And yeah, pretty much same regimen, nothing's changed. Minoxidil and Finasteride. These are literally the most underrated drugs in the market for sure. You can see there's absolutely nothing in my hair. Like this is my real hair. The hair that they transplanted was transplanted here in the front, transplanted in the back. It's still growing in. Remember, it's only month 3, but the hair around the area, I was able to recover it from using the products. So that's where the importance of these products come in, because if you're not taking them, I hear some people say, oh, I have to go for a second hair transplant, or it doesn't last a lifetime. It does. The problem is the hair that is not transplanted is still susceptible to male pattern baldness. That is what needs to be understood. So that is why it is important to take these products, because you can totally prevent yourself from having to get future hair transplants. I don't ever expect this hair to fall out from the front, because it is not susceptible to male pattern baldness. But I still apply the product on it anyways, because why not increase the follicle density count? Like, why not do that? That's what Minoxidil does. Minoxidil brings blood to the surface, and in that blood are nutrients so the hair follicles grow stronger. Finasteride blocks DHT. That's going to be used for the hair that is susceptible to male pattern baldness. I trusted my gut with this one, and I went to Vera Clinic to get this done, and I'm super excited. So I think I'm going to visit the clinic tomorrow. I'm probably going to shoot a video over there. They might upload it on their website, but I'm going to have a team pick me up tomorrow. I'm going to say what's up to everybody and thank everybody. And they're probably going to take some updated pictures for sure. But I just have one important question. Shall we do the bathroom lighting test? Yes, we shall. Let us do the Turkish bathroom lighting test. A good old Turkish bathroom. That thing, use to clean your butt. I know you guys in America don't know how to wash your ass, but you know, it's one of the most important things you do in the bathroom, right? But anyways, here we are. I don't even think it matters. There's no light up here. The light's up here. I think there's better lighting out there, but screw it. You want to see my hair in different lighting? Sure, let's do it. Wow. Look at those results. Crazy shit, right? Crazy shit. Crazy shit. That's it. This is it. Listen, what are you waiting for, man? Like, what are you waiting for? Your hair to, maybe you're the chosen one. Maybe your hair won't fall off. Maybe you were the one selected amongst all the people where male pattern baldness will just stop without any intervention from you. Maybe that's the case. Most likely it's not. So I don't know what the hell you're waiting for. If money's the issue, follow my previous videos and buy those products on Amazon. Link is in the description below. If it's not about money and it's more about skepticism, keep watching my update videos and watch other people who've gone to the same clinic and have the results. And that's what led me to get the hair transplant, really, was seeing other people do it. And now that I'm getting the results myself, like, it's all the evidence I need, man. It's all the evidence I need. Another random thing too, I was sorting through images yesterday and I came across something really interesting. It was the first time when I had to fill out this application thing for Keeps to get the Finasteride. I had to take pictures of my current results, and man, I really forgot about how much the products have saved my life. Like, these are the pictures of what it looked like before everything, before YouTube videos, before products. Pictures are right here. Isn't that crazy? That's literally insane. And then after using the products, and for like a year and a half, 2 years, which I was updating you guys consistently on, this is what my head looked like. So from that to this. And then when I stopped taking the products before I came out here and got a hair transplant, that's what my hair looked like. So if you don't use the products, the male pattern baldness will continue. It won't stop. But yeah, just interesting. Thought it was an interesting point to share with you guys. But anyways, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned. I'll be updating you guys for more. Take care.